Alright, so Grand Theft Auto 5. This is actually going to be the third and the final train fight. If this does not do it, I don't know what will. As you may or may not pick up from this, I am currently in a fight. All I've got to use those pistol ammo. Those will come in later. Oh wait, I got a jerry can. I don't know if I can use that for anything in this up here, but I got 2 shots left. Okay, I'm gonna try and finish this up. So, third and final train fight video. Yes, people, it is coming to an end. It is the end of an era, the era of trains. So, if this does not destroy the train, I believe I already stated this, I don't know what will. They will truly be invincible. Okay, yeah. We're gonna shoot him. Not really so much to shoot him, just to kind of get that open. And I didn't make it inside. Okay, I can't make it inside, so, throw one down here. Throw one there. Maximum of 5 active sticky bombs. Okay, so that's a lot less than I had anticipated using. So I think that's our max. If you didn't realize, wow, it's getting sunny. That's pretty cool. I was gonna use all 25 sticky bombs and try to blow it up, but I guess I'm gonna, if 5 doesn't do it, I'm gonna try it 5 times. So, okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh god, I'm on fire. It's raining though, come on. Whoa. And that is it, people. That is the end of the era. 'Cause guess what? The train has fallen. All it took was 5 explosives to bring the almighty, supposedly invincible train to its knees. And apparently that got me 3 stars. I'm gonna try and walk that off. Woo! I'm not gonna lie. It feels good to stare my worthy adversary in the face, knowing that I won. Knowing that I am the victor of this battle. After 2 failed attempts, and I'm about to be murdered.
Oh no.
I died, but still, the train also died. I think in the long run, that's all that really matters. Is that I was able and willing to destroy the train. We'll get one more look at it. Just from above. No more riding on the train tracks for him. His years of towing and hauling coal are over.
Holy crap.
It's the end of an era. We're gonna send him out in style. Okay.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm coming for you, Beaver. Oh, crap. You blew up the train. You hit a train.
Ah.
Oh.
And as the last station falls, my worthy adversary, I bid you farewell. Ah. Goodbye, train. I wish you luck. And that is the end of the train fighting series. Going out in a bang.